These are explosive flints now that basically you can just start fires like this. See, explosive flints. Jesus, wasn't quite expecting it to go up quite like that. Now I think about it, I am going to put on the double joists for the middle support beam there. That's my first job, and then I'm going to start working on these joists here, and we'll be underway. I didn't really think this one through very well. I screwed that into the beam before I put my joist hanger on, so I'm gonna have to take this apart and redo it. Thought I was recording. I thought I was recording, but actually wasn't. I forgot to hit the record bit, so I just unscrewed the joists that goes into the blocking. I'm just putting on the joist hangers now, and then once. Well, it ain't going anywhere, I can tell you that. Right, I didn't particularly want to do this because obviously it's a little bit dangerous. This is a metal blade. It can cut metal, and I have cut a fairly decent metal pipe with it before. Now, the difference is this isn't a metal pipe, this is a joist hanger. I can't fit a regular size joist hanger under that side, so I'm going to try cut it with this metal. Now, taking some precautions, wearing some gloves, safety glasses, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my chainsaw helmet. That might mitigate any other pieces of metal might flying around. Like I said, it is a metal blade. It's just the fact that it's a little daunting, but we're going to try it and we'll see how far we get. Okay, well clearly the idea is not to do it that way. I've bent the joist hanger now. It was going well up until then. So what I'm going to do is I'll flip it around and carve off the other side. Perfect. All right. Do now, get to lift this. It's under there. I can now secure that down in place. Well, the sun's decided to come out. Nice surprise. Right at the end of the day. So I've started on the joists. Just kind of roughed them in. Haven't fully screwed it down yet. But started to roughen the joists. Still messing a little bit around with the squareness, but for the most part, the joists are going in fairly straight. The rock there is causing a bit of problems with some of the joists, but outside of that, I'm starting to get a little hungry. It's the end of the day. I think it's time to start a fire and cook some food. They make these explosive flints now that basically you can just start fires like this. See, explosive flints. Jesus, wasn't quite expecting it to go up quite like that. See, explosive flints. You buy them online. Yeah, probably more dangerous than what I thought it was going to be. But there's a quick way to get your fire going. I cheated. I'm not gonna lie. I used some barbecue charcoal lighter fluid. Quicken things up here while I quickly burn that fire down a little bit so I can start cooking a little bit of dinner on it. So let's get out the sausages, I think. Right. Sausages on the go here. Yeah, good one, Bailey. I know you would have a go at one of these. No. My sausages. Step back. Keep an eye on her. She'll have it. She'll have it. Oh, get up. She'll have it away. And the old sausages on the go. Give them some time to. I'll warm up my buns. Find a. Put my buns right here. Ooh, losing the fire. And warm my buns up a bit. Sausages are going good. Oh, I'm ready for this. I am hungry. It's been a long day. Can't actually find a knife to be good. It's been a long day. Buns are nice and toasted. So I'll be a couple hot dogs or sausages. I had to pack a little thing of ketchup because I didn't have a squeezy tube. So bit of ketchup. Dog. Oh, well, it's been a fairly successful day. It's be better with some hot Coleman's mustard, but you know, you can only work with what you got. But yeah, it's been a pretty successful day. Got a bunch of the joists in, and I just roughed them in for now. We'll see how it goes. But I might do a few more this evening. Not bad. Hot. Yeah, I'll probably do a few more joists this evening. Maybe try rough in one half just to see what it looks like. I doubt I'll rough in the other half. Depends how motivated I feel. The sun's come out a bit now, but I'm starting to get tired. I've been up since about 4 o'clock this morning, so. Not bad. I've roughed in one half, and I've got enough time. I think I'm going to rough in the other half tonight as well, actually, and see how far we get. Might as well crack on. It's still daylight. My back's still holding together, so we'll keep going until she's done. But yeah, first half is on. I obviously got to go back and I got to put screws across, you know, all the other holes. I have like 500 screws to put in just on the joists alone. But I just wanted to rough it in, make sure it was all good first before I locked everything down fully. I'm also going to go through the front with a 4-inch structural screw into each board as well, just to add a little bit of structural integrity there, just to overdo it, but over engineer. That's what I'm going to do. So anyhow, yeah, we'll carry on. Right, well, that is all the joist boards roughed in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just screw it all in off camera. There's not a whole lot of point in screwing it all, showing you screw it in. I got to do the deck boards on top, so tomorrow I'm not going to have time to do deck boards tonight, but I'm going to see how far I can get on screwing these things in tonight, and yeah, go from there really. But that's probably it for today. It's been a good day. We will see The deck build continue, possibly on the next episode if I don't carry on from here. So if this is it for this episode, stay tuned to watch the deck being finished and the shower coming together on this piece, all interconnecting, and then I'm gonna do a little interconnecting path between the two, just a little triangle shape there so it all joins. So stay tuned for the next episode if that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.